Hi, your vision, more vivid. With a refined 1610 4-sided Infinity Edge display delivering 100% RGB Adobe color in brilliant detail, the new XPS 15 laptop makes everything you create more vivid. 62% larger touchpad, 5% larger screen, and 5.6% smaller footprint. 1610 FHD Plus edge-to-edge display equipped with DisplayHDR 400 and Dolby Vision. Integrated Eyesafe display technology, quad speaker design with Waves NX audio, high-polished diamond-cut sidewalls, stunning 4K Plus display equipped with 100% Adobe RGB, 94% DCI-P3 color gamut, VESA DisplayHDR 400, and Dolby Vision. This display delivers more than 16 million ultra-vivid colors that are 40 times brighter than ever before. Creator Edition. Fully equipped with the creative tools you need to make magic happen faster and better, so your art can be pushed to the edge. The rendering of high-resolution graphics and videos accelerates with performance-class NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics. Advanced thermal from dual fans separated to spread heat over a larger area, to dual heat pipes and hidden exhaust venting through the hinge. Thermal design ensures you have the best performing system in the thinnest form factor possible. XPS 15 laptop, smallest 15.6-inch performance laptop with a new 4-sided Infinity Edge display. 15.6 FHD Plus, 1920x1200, Infinity Edge non-touch anti-glare 500 nit display, 10th generation Intel Core i7-10750H NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics, 16GB DDR4 to 2933 MHz memory and 512GB M.2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. Eco-wise, energy efficient. The XPS 15 is Energy Star certified. Recognized as a CES 2018 Best of Innovation Awards honoree, our black packaging trays are a step beyond recycled. 25% of the material consists of ocean plastics collected from coastal areas, while the remaining 75% is made up of other recycled plastics. Free of materials like cadmium, lead, mercury and some phthalate. It's also EPEAT registered and BFR, PVC free. 90% of the laptop's parts can be easily recycled or reused, and the white bamboo packaging trays are 100% recyclable. Unleash your full PC smartphone productivity. Dell Mobile Connect provides a seamless wireless integration between smartphones and PCs, allowing users to make calls, send texts and get notifications on your PC. Dell Mobile Connect app must be downloaded to your PC and smartphone. File transfer on iOS is limited to photos and videos.
Link to purchase in the description.